Down today and saw that it was 50 degrees. I couldn't believe it.
One last day where we had some mild temperatures out there. It's back to reality starting tonight. We hit 57 in Boston once the sun came out, way up above the norm for this time of the year. In fact, the 7th warmest start to February on record in Boston. That includes a very cold February 1st. So this week was rather exceptional. It'll be much more seasonable over the next 7 days. But if you're starting at least maybe a little bit to think about spring just because of the weather we've had this weekend, you know, we're 4 weeks away from tomorrow to setting the clocks forward, springing forward and going back to daylight saving time, at which time we'll have a sunset at 6:45. Right now, even 5:08 is feeling pretty good. Noticing that angle's a little higher every day. Temperatures tonight tumbling back. We're in the 40s now in eastern Mass, 30s in central Mass and New Hampshire, and 20s toward the Berkshires. And that colder air spilling across the country after a very warm stretch in the east. Also watching some snow firing up off of Lake Ontario, Lake Erie as well. Some snow showers likely in the western-facing slopes of Vermont as we head into the overnight. And our temps will be in the 30s for the most part by 8 o'clock tonight. And if we're heading out later, we're talking about 20s to low 30s by 11, settling back in the teens to mid-20s by the time we wake up tomorrow morning. Clear skies, windy night, definitely colder. Wind chill values falling back about 0 to 10 above during the overnight. In terms of the winds, some gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour. It'll be very blustery this evening, but our peak winds will be after midnight into the first part of the day tomorrow. And because the ground isn't quite as frozen and because we've had a lot of rainfall, we may see a few trees come down with those stronger wind gusts. It's just a little bit more susceptible to falling with these marginal winds. So windy overnight. Tomorrow stays very blustery. Even with full sunshine, it will feel cold. And then as we head towards Sunday, we'll see the winds start to calm down, and that will be a more comfortable day to be out and about outdoors. The falling temps and the winds, we've got wind chill values in the teens by 10 o'clock tonight, close to 0 or in the single digits tomorrow morning, and then most of the day tomorrow in the teens. It's going to be back to that midwinter kind of feel. Again, full sun, low 30s for high temperatures. Sunday's got calmer conditions, still a lot of sunshine. It's a quiet winter weekend. We've had a lot of those this year. Tomorrow, staying in the 20s across the higher terrain, but low 30s elsewhere. Sunday getting into the middle 30s, and again with the less wind to deal with. I think if you're planning a long run outside, getting in the training for the Boston Marathon, Sunday would be your pick. And if you're heading to the slopes, some of the more exposed terrain actually close. Wildcat closing tomorrow because of the winds up there. Some of the more sheltered slopes will be in better shape for Saturday. Everyone's in good shape for Sunday. Also watching our next winter storm. And this is kind of our best chance since the middle of January. If you remember that one, it's a similar type of storm. This looks to move in on Tuesday afternoon and evening. Starting as snow, we've got cold in place, but likely to change over to a mixture of sleet and freezing rain and even some regular rain toward Cape Cod and the islands. Still a ways out, but I think this could still be a disruptive storm, even if it's not a blockbuster storm. That wintry mix of snow and ice is going to make for some pretty nasty travel later on Tuesday and into Wednesday morning. So we'll be updating you on that one as we get closer. It clears out by Wednesday afternoon. We're dry on Valentine's Day and another storm threat by late Friday. David and Lisa, back to you.
All right, Eric, thank you. Celtics fans right now.